here it is. Got the package right here. There we go, unpackaged. Now we got all the bits and bobs, extra spring, got the upgraded piece, the plunger. What else have we got? That piece. And another spring. Yeah, look at that. Very nice. And I'll show you how to assemble it in a second. Alright, now we just need to take the stock one back off because it adapts to and I guess strengthens the stock diverter valve. It's just an upgrade, so we'll get it off. Best tool you can use for the bolts on the stock diverter valve without having to take your wheel or any other parts off except for obviously the boost pipe. This one is your best friend. It's just enough to get in pretty much every screw. And I could use just this to get all 3 screws out and very fast as well. So definitely consider using this and your next time doing it. It is very useful. And it's just a 5mm hex. All right, we are under the car, taking off the stock diverter valve. That one right there. Just unplug the plug like this. It was in there. You just basically unplug it. Now we're getting out these bolts here with this. So you should just use this and then getting it out. I already got the top one out. I just need to get the one behind, which is further down under there. And yeah, then we'll get this out, get the GFB parts and start making it, and then we'll reinstall it. Alright, got the stock diverter valve out with 3 bolts. Now it's time to assemble everything, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Alright, so once you take this out, it has a spring, basically goes like that. It has this, push it down on the spring basically like that. This, I already took this part out, but it'll be like that, and the spring is like that in there. You just pull this out. It should come out quite easily. Pull the spring out, and then you use it like some pliers. I just used these pliers, and you basically just pull on this, you just pull it out. Sometimes it does snap, but mine didn't, so. And now we need to install the spring that came with this. So we just put that in there like that, and grab this piece, which then put that in like that. So that should be good now. And now you can install this. So basically just goes on top of that, push it down, and then once all the holes are lined up, you should be able to screw it down. And once you screw it down, it should be assembled decently well. And then you can put the plunger in. Make sure to engine oil this as well, only for initially. And then once that won't be coming out. So then it's basically just like that. Then make sure you put the screws in. So, and that'll be that. All right, it is in now. You just basically push that bit down so it's nice and snug, and then put the piston in. Just note that that will be loose when you're putting it in the car, and you have to use these supplied bolts because obviously they're longer. They need to be longer because you're adding a part to it, so a whole length. So use these screws to screw it in. Make sure you're holding your finger on the piston when you're installing it so it doesn't fall out, and then that should be good. All right, we have it in the car. Now I just need to screw them down, install the boost pipe back in, and then we'll get some sound clips. Alright, we got it all installed now. It's back in the clip and it's all screwed in. Got the boost pipe back in. Now we'll get a sound. We've reached the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed and got some knowledge on how to assemble and install a GFB diverter valve plus to a Fiesta ST. And just so you guys know, the diverter valve plus will not give you that flutter noise that I have in the video, as you will need to do slight adjustments to the diverter valve in order to get that flutter noise. It's very simple, but other than that, it'll just have the standard like blow off valve noise that the standard diverter valve will have. So if you guys want me to release a video on how to do that and get the flutter noises, I'm more than happy to do that. If we could hit like 100 likes on this video, then I'll release a quick video on how to modify it very slightly to achieve that nice flutter noise in the video. So I hope you guys liked it. See you guys later. Bye bye.